Ever since I was a kid, I wanted a real Spider-Man web shooter. Not just something that looks cool, but something that actually fires. So today, I'm building one from scratch. I'm designing it, printing it, testing it, and yes, it sprays just like a real web shooter would. Let's start from the beginning. Before I even opened Blender, I had to figure out one thing. How do you actually simulate Spider-Man's web fluid? I didn't want darts, strings, or gimmicks. I wanted something that feels real. Pressurized fluid firing on command. So here's the idea. The lighter is filled with soap and water and pressurized with a butane lighter refill. When the lever clicks, it releases the pressure and sprays out the mixture. It's simple, compact, and surprisingly effective. Now this is where things got fun. I wanted this entire build to be print in place. One single model with the lever that moves right off the printer. No assembly required. That meant carefully designing tolerances that wouldn't fuse together even with the supports. And after a couple hours of tweaking, I had a web shooter design that I was actually confident in. It's time to print it. I loaded the file into Cura and went through the layers one by one just to make sure everything was slicing the way that I had designed it. The hinge, the valve channel, the strap path, all of it. Once everything looked clean, I exported the file to my SD card, popped it into the printer, and let it run. The whole print took about 3.5 hours. So here's the crazy part. The entire web shooter prints as a single piece, no assembly, no strapping parts, no glue. The trigger, hinge, body, and internal channel are all printed in place. After the print was done, I removed the supports from the lever, cleared out the supports inside the cartridge channel, and cleaned up the strap channel. There was a bit of leftover stringing from the print, so I hit it with a quick pass from the torch to melt everything smooth. Since this is meant to be worn, I needed something comfortable, secure, and fits all wrist sizes. So I made a simple wrist strap using elastic fabric and fed it through the channel at the bottom of the web shooters. And now it feels like an actual piece of gear, not just a prop you hold. Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. I filled this lighter up with web fluid and butane, and now we're gonna pop it in to this web shooter and see if it actually shoots. And it actually works! The lever feels great, the pressure is surprisingly strong, and honestly, I'm kinda shocked at how well it turned out. And before I wrap this up, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to like and comment. I've got so many more projects planned, and if you're interested in this kind of content, make sure to subscribe so you can follow along. This has been such a good project to build, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. And like and comment. I've got so many more projects planned. If you're interested in that.
Clear your throat. Breathe.
Oh my god. What if I just don't do a giveaway? It's just awkward.
You're having a crisis.
I'm having a crisis right now.
As you stand there in a space.
Stop. I got all this on camera.